Welcome in, print crew, to another episode of Looking for Prints. If you've seen one of my more recent episodes with my second round of accessories for the P2S, you've seen the new desk that FlexiSpot has sent me. So far, that desk has been a savior for my 3D printing. However, I have found that I needed some accessories to go along with the desk, because it's not just a 3D printing station, it's also my work desk. So let's go over to the laptop, see if we can't find some accessories for this desk, and let's go print something. I think for our first desk organizer, for our brand new desk, I thought there's no better representation of our channel, this channel, than this Bambu Lab P2S desk organizer. I think it's perfect. You know, it fits the channel, it fits my desk. I really like it. It says we can print everything in PLA, so I think that's what I'm gonna go ahead and do. It's gonna take quite a bit of gray, quite a bit of black. We're looking at half a roll of filament, a little over half a roll of filament. But again, pretty cool organizer, and I do need an organizer for my new desk. Let's open this up in the Bambu studio. Well, this is gonna be a while, because this is quite the print. Looks like we've got a multicolor print here, it's gonna be two colors, silver or gray and black. Let's preview this print. Just trying to get an idea of print time. 8 hours on this guy here. Let's take a look at some other stuff. 1 hour, basically 2 hours. I think I'm gonna start with the smaller pieces, because then the bigger piece can print while I sleep. Yeah, let's start here. Let's start with this piece right here. I think these are drawers. So 128.44 grams of filament, 2 hours, 49 minutes of print time. I'm looking at my Bambu P2S. I'm trying to see if it's like a glossy type black, or, you know, what's gonna look better, because I do have some glossier black there. Let's look at the project one last time. Yeah, let's go ahead and send this to the printer. Send it off to Layla. Let's go over to Layla, our printer, and take a look at the colors we're going to be using for this print. All right, over at Layla, we've got our gray. This is the Bambu gray that we had ordered. We use this quite a bit. I'm going to have probably not much of it left. I'll probably be down to about here by the time I'm done with this project, but that's okay. I'll order more from Bambu, or I'll order more and just use the RFID tag. This is the Elegoo black we're going to be using. I had to decide between these two blacks, a shinier black or this black. The writing on here, which is kind of indicative of like the drawers and stuff, I think is what they're going for, is more of a matte type black. As you can see, sorry, it's focusing on two things, than a shinier PETG. So we're going to go with this black here. Let's go ahead and load this up into our AMS. Let's go into Layla here. Set our color here. Black. Confirm it. Let's go in. Located our print. Next, it's going to pull from A2, which is our black we just set in. Okay. Just a hair under 3 hours, I think. Yeah, 2 hours, 49 minutes. We'll check back on this, pull these drawers off, start our next part of this print, and just kind of keep moving down the line. Hopefully I'll have everything finished tonight, but if not tonight, definitely be finished by the morning. Hours, 49 minutes, 128 grams of filament. Got our drawers. I'm gonna have to take that out. There we go. These come off a little easier. Well, actually, these are pretty good sized drawers. I like that. These can hold post-it notes, stuff like that. So these are good size. I like they're not small. You know how like a lot of desk organizers are like little small drawers, like that big. You know, really can't hold stuff. This seems like to be, you know, pretty good size. But we knew that, being it's a half a roll of filament for the entire print. All right, let's go over to the laptop, get our next print going. What's going to be our next print? I guess we could go ahead and go here with these two. Let's preview this. 84.42 grams of filament, 1 hour, 58 minutes, so 2 hours basically. We're gonna use the black again for this one. All right, I'll see you guys back in 2 hours where we'll pull this off. After an hour and 58 minutes, I mean, we can call it 2 hours, 84 grams of filament. We have our smaller drawers here. Let's get them out so we can take a look. Okay, and there's the feet too that go to the thing here. Oh, those, all of it, of course, really stuck on. Let me do what I always do, set you guys down and get this off there. Got all that stuff off there. I'm gonna put these little guys into the tray here. Move all this over. We've got 2 more prints to do today. Let's go over to the laptop and I'm gonna show you what's left. We have one that's gonna take only about an hour, maybe 2 hours. The other one's gonna take 8 to 9 hours. I think I'm gonna save that for last. So let's go over to the laptop and we'll discuss what we have left. Here is our next plate that we need to print. Let's preview it. Hour and 25 minutes. There is some filament changes because this right here, the knob, is a different color. So 10 filament changes, 38.37 grams for the model itself, 0.14 for the supports, 3.66 for the purge, 42.18 grams of filament total. Not too bad for an hour and a half. Hour and a half, I'll see you guys back at the printer to pull this off, and then we will start our last print of the night for this awesome print for our desk accessory. I also want to find probably another desk accessory, which maybe we'll look for while that long print's going. I'll see you guys back in a bit. Hour 25 minutes. We've got our lid. Let's take it off. Take a look at it. Here's also the purge cube. I'll show you that. It's pretty light, not much. This is a piece that broke, not part of this print, in my hand also, but there's the purge block right there. Let's go over to the laptop and let's get our last part of this print started, and we can also look for another desk accessory while we're there. Let's get this last part of our print going. Here it is right here. Preview it. We've got 328 grams for the model, 3.28 grams support, 0.21 grams purged, 331.89 grams of total filament. 2 filament changes, 8 hours, 17 minutes. Let's go ahead and print this plate. We got gray as our A1, black is our A2. Send it off to the printer. We will be back with this in the morning because it is already 8 o'clock. I am not staying up until 4 a.m. to pull it off the print plate. I will pull it off when I wake up. Have you guys ever had one of those moments where you were like, I'm gonna do this, I know I'm gonna print this, great idea, and then you find something else just completely amazing and you're like, yes. Well, this is that moment. This pen holder from Minion, from the Minions movie, Despicable Me. I love the Minions. My daughter loves the Minions. We all love the Minions. This is what we're printing for our desk. This is it right here. Let's go ahead. Oh, but the problem is my bamboo's tied up for a couple hours. I need to start on this now. We're gonna have to do this on the Elegoo also. I'm gonna use both printers here, I think. But let's go ahead, fire up the Elegoo and get this print going. We're gonna change to our Elegoo Centauri Carbon. We know these are blue. We know yellow, white. So let's take a look And this required no supports, mind you. It flat out said no supports on the thing. So even if this flags it as needing supports, we're not doing it. All right. The yellow piece, hour 35 minutes, 57.58 grams of filament. This is going to be the actual holder. So let's go ahead and send that off to the printer. We're not going to upload and print though. We're just going to upload. And then I will meet you over at the Elegoo so I can show you what yellow we're going to be working with. I bet you guys, if you guys watch the channel, you probably can already guess it's going to be Elegoo yellow because that's what we have. But let's get that loaded up. Let's get going on this print. Here's the yellow we're going to be using. Like I said, it's the Elegoo yellow. Let's go in. There's our print. I'm going to do a leveling on it also because this hasn't been leveled for a little while. Let's print it. I will see you guys back in about an hour and a half. 1 hour, 33 minutes. And our Minion is done, except the arms failed. So I let this finish, but we got to reprint the arms. So we'll remove him off the build plate. And since we have the yellow already loaded in there, I'm going to go ahead and go over to the laptop and let's set up just to print the arms real quick. Back into our Elegoo slicer, I started moving the Minion off just to make sure I could do that. I'm going to move him to this plate for now. Then I'm going to move the arms kind of more in the middle. All right, let's preview this print. 1.81 grams of filament for the model, 2.15 total because we have some supports. 11 minutes, 32 seconds print time. We'll send this off, upload and print. We'll come back to this in about 13 minutes. Hopefully it'll be all ready to go. After 11 minutes, our arms are complete now. Let's go ahead and take the arms out. I'm gonna put those, look like macaroni almost, in there. The next color we're gonna be using is this Elegoo blue. And these are gonna be for his coveralls. So another big piece to do, kind of like as I sleep tonight. So let me get the yellow swapped out of here and the blue loaded up. And then we'll head over to our laptop and start our next print. Let's select our plate here. Here it is. Preview this print. Should only take probably an hour or so. Yeah, hour. I'm getting pretty good with my times. 26.64 total grams of filament, 59 minutes of total print time. I'll probably pull this off in the morning and we'll keep printing. We don't have much more to go. 8 hours of print time. We have the rest of our box here. Let's see how the drawers go in. I think it goes this way. Yep. Okay. You know what? Pretty cool. Just get the last piece on here. I thought this would slide off. It just covers. It doesn't hinge or it doesn't slide in there on a groove. That would have been cool if it like slid and grooved, you know, like there were grooves cut in here and that slid in. But it just picks up. But that's cool. I like it. Looks like a printer. I'm happy with this. I think this will be a great desk accessory. The drawers are functional and usable. They're pretty deep. And then the wide ones can fit things too. And they slide out and slide back in. Let's go over to the Elegoo now and take off our part of our pencil cup holder. 57 minutes. There are the overalls for our Minion. I could have sworn on the print description there were no supports, but I guess there are. Let's go ahead, let's keep printing this and get it all wrapped up so we can put our accessories on our desk. Before we start our prints, I got to get the blue out of here and the black put into the Elegoo. Also, over here at the Bambu, we have a few more colors to go. And what I'm thinking we do is we'll print the gray, the white. I believe there's a red piece that needs to be printed. So we'll put the red in. So we got gray, red, white, and I can't remember what the other color is. We'll get these printed over here. So I think maybe it's just the 3 plates. So yeah, we'll need the gray, the red, and the white over here. And we're gonna be printing the black over on the Elegoo. Let me get the black loaded up and then we will start all of our prints. We've got our black loaded up into the Elegoo. Here are our black pieces. Let's preview this print. 9.05 grams of filament total, 25 minutes of print time. Let's start the printer. I'm not gonna do a bed leveling, we will do a time lapse. I'm gonna send this off. Now let's go over to our Bambu. You guys saw the colors that I loaded up in there. Let's start with the white. Go ahead and preview this. 13.62 grams of filament, 0.67 for support, 14.29 total grams of filament, 42 minutes. Let's go ahead and print this plate. So we've got both printers going on the same print so we can get this wrapped up today. The Bambu's gonna finish things off, but in about, I don't know, 30 minutes time, we'll take off the black pieces from our Elegoo and the white pieces from our Bambu. Right, 24 minutes print time. Our black pieces are done. These look like the hands, I think. These are his hands. Let me get the eyes off of here and then we'll head over to the Bambu and take those prints off. Now we're over here at our Bambu printer. 42 minutes, 14 grams. Here's our white pieces. Let's pull these off. These are his arms and eyes. I'm gonna take off these 2 pieces. Then let's go over to the laptop and we will get our next print going. We have 2 more to go with this guy. Then we can assemble everything and see how it looks on the brand new desk. We have these 2 pieces left. This one's gonna take no time at all. Actually, both shouldn't really take any time. We got the goggles here and this red piece there. Let's preview these goggles. 6.50 grams for the model, 0.4 grams for support, 6.90 grams total, 25 minutes, 34 seconds. Supports. I could have sworn this project said it doesn't require supports. See, no supports. I'm not lying. It said no supports, but the default has all the supports turned on. I don't understand. Send this off. I'll see you guys back in a half hour to pull these off and start our last print. 6 minutes, 7 grams of filament. Our Minion goggles are done. Let's go to our laptop, print out our last piece for this, which is just a small little red piece, should only take a couple minutes. Let's rock and roll our last piece. Sorry, it's not very exciting, but I wanted to show it to you guys nonetheless. 0.03 grams of filament, 8 minutes total. Call it 9. I'm not gonna talk about it too much. It's gonna be red. Let's go ahead and print this plate. I'll see you guys back in a few so we can get this wrapped up. 9 minutes, less than 1 gram of filament. I'm gonna throw this in the pencil cup. I think I'm gonna lose it. I'm probably most likely gonna lose it because I won't be putting this together until probably a couple days from now. So mark my words, I will probably lose this piece. All right, Bob's headband's on with his glasses. I know you said Bob has 2 different color eyes, but he's still Bob to me.
Okay.
Bob has his headband on with his goggles. These pens are in there just fine. They don't seem to just topple over. And who doesn't like a Minion on their desk? As for the Bambu accessory holder, not only can I put like Post-it notes or anything like that in there for desk accessories, like paper clips or anything I need, I can also put printing stuff in here. Stuff for my Bambu and stuff for my Elegoo. So very versatile. I know you guys are probably saying only 2 items you needed for that desk. That's how awesome this desk is that FlexiSpot sent me. There's a headphone holder, a cup holder. There's not much else I need. You can find cup holders and headphone holders online that can attach to your desk, but FlexiSpot already thought of those things. If you like this desk or if you want to check out any other items that FlexiSpot offers, I'll have a link in the description below. So, as always, smash that like and subscribe button. ABP, always be printing, and I'll see you guys in the next one.